What's up, angels? It's me, Joyce, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, it will be a bit different than I usually do. So nakikita nyo palagi sa vlog ko that I'm always doing makeup tutorial o pagkain. So today, it will be a bit different. I am going to share with you how to renew your passport here in Doha, Qatar. So if you want to know step by step, watch it until the end of the video. Thank you! I just want to share this email to you guys. This email is from Philippine Embassy. This is to inform me that passport renewal appointments for the month of October to December 2021 are already full. You may provide us with copies of your passport and QID, and the embassy will try to provide you an appointment for the first quarter of 2022. In this regard, you may wish to reconsider renewing your passport at the BLS International Philippine Passport Renewal Center for a time and date that are convenient for you. The next thing that you're going to do is go to your Chrome. On its address bar, just type https://qatar.bls Philippine Passport .com/book_appointment.php. Don't worry guys, I am going to put the link on the description box so that you will not going to get confused. Now, as you can see, you are already in the BLS International page. Now click the three lines on the right corner and click schedule an appointment. Now click for BLS Passport Application Center. Scroll down and you can see this appointment booking confirmation. Click the box and you will find all the available dates that are convenient for you. Red, it means that it's already fully booked. Green, it means that it's available slot. And yellow, it means that it was holiday. Now you already have chosen the date. You have to fill up this application. In type, just select normal. In service type, just select passport. They already have given a time slot. That time slot you need to go. On applicant type, if you're a minor or an adult, applicant first name, middle name, last name, your birth date, applicant mobile number, no need to put the country code, just directly put your mobile number, email address, type of passports, ordinary, passport number, passport issue place, issue date, expiry date, service request for passport renewal, then click book now. So if you are already done booking your appointment in BLS International, you are going to receive this confirmation appointment that you can see on your screen. And then, ipiprint nyo po yan. Yun po yung dadalhin nyo pagpunta nyo po dun sa BLS International sa appointment day nyo. So, I am just going to give you some tips kapag magre-renew kayo ng passport. First, you have to bring a copy of your passport. Yung old passport nyo po. Syempre, yung na-expire na passport, kailangan nyo po ng kopya nun. And second, kailangan nyo po yung printout ng booking confirmation from BLS International or from Philippine Embassy dito sa Qatar. So, if you are having an appointment in BLS International, dun po kayo pupunta. Pag meron naman po kayo appointment in Philippine Embassy dito sa Qatar, dun din po kayo pupunta. Hindi po pwede na nagpa-appointment po kayo sa Philippine Embassy, pero dun po kayo pupunta sa BLS International. Hindi po pwede ganun kasi wala po kayong information doon. So, kung saan po kayo nagpa-appointment, dun po kayo punta. So, third po na tips na mabibigay ko po sa inyo is dalhin nyo po yung Qatari ID nyo just in case they are going to look for it. Kasi sa akin, nung nag-renew ako ng passport dito sa Philippine Embassy, hinanapan nila ako. So, much better kung dadalhin nyo din. And number 4, kailangan nyo po ng 360 Qatari Rial na cash just for payment. So, 240, yun po yung ibabayad nyo for renewing your passport. Yung 91 naman is yung service fee. So yung 35 Qatar Riyal is for sending text message kapag pwede nyo na pong kunin yung passport nyo. If you are going to renew passport in BLS International, 2 Qatar Riyal is for photocopy and 25 Qatar Riyal is for form filing. So, in total of 360 Qatar Riyal kapag mag-renew po kayo ng passport nyo sa BLS International. Please take note that BLS International will only cater simple renewal of their passport and not those requiring any changes in the biographic details of the passport. So if you would like to change something on your passport, then you have to renew your passport at the Philippine Embassy and wait until 2022, for there is no available slot right now. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, give this a thumbs up and don't forget to share it to your friends and subscribe as well. If you have any comments or questions, just comment down below and I am going to put in the description box the link of BLS International and also the location as well. So I hope you find this video very informative, guys, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. Thank you. Bye.